Okay, so here's the scenario. You walk out, it's a really cold day, and you go in, you grab it, and pop, comes right off. Really common on these Chevys, particularly the Chevy Prizm. So how do you fix it? Well, first, you got to get into the car. So, if you grab the tab and pull it forward, you can get your finger in underneath and give it a yank. That gets you in. Now, we need to go to the store and we need to get a few things. The first of which is beer. Because if you drive one of these cars and you're a man, either A, you have no masculinity, or B, you're an alcoholic and you need to have a beer or two. Second, you buy a pack of zip ties. Make sure that they're the high temperature wiring zip ties for use on automobiles. They seem to hold up better. Now, as we got into the vehicle before, wait, we forgot a step. Okay, as we got into the vehicle before, pull up on this, pull it up until the door comes undone, take your zip tie, run it down through, pull it down, release, close the door, pull it up, leave a slight loop, finish it off with a pair of wire cutters, and look at that. Now you can tell your wife it took hours to fix and you've got plenty of beer left.